Let's explore a budget-friendly stateroom with Princess Cruises. Join us, Travel with a Flair, for an exclusive tour of an interior stateroom aboard Caribbean Princess. Welcome back, everybody. It is Haley with Travel with a Flair. Today we are going to be showing you an interior stateroom on Caribbean Princess by Princess Cruises. If you need help booking your next cruise, hit us up down below or right here with our travel information. Now, this is not everybody's cup of tea. We usually cruise in a balcony, but we got an insane deal on this sailing, and honestly, I was very happy with this room. One of the things I love about Princess is their storage in their standard rooms. This is very similar to a balcony storage. I like the open closet where you don't have to mess around with the doors. The bathroom is small like any typical standard stateroom. I do appreciate that the shower is actually a curtain versus one of the tubes that close in. So if you have some accessibility issues, if you're a plus size person, this is much easier to work around with. We stayed in this stateroom for a whole week and honestly did not have any issues with it. Once we come out of the bathroom, you're going to see a full-length mirror. And there's also another huge mirror in this room. There is no shortage of mirrors. One of the things I will say about Princess Cruises, their beds are absolutely incredible. Now, even though I'm married, we actually do the separate beds because it allows for much more walking space in an interior room. We've done this a few times, and this is the best way to do it. If you have questions about Princess Plus, Princess Standard, Princess Premier that is applicable in all these rooms, leave your comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.